so much shit to upload. Taylor, come here.
Look what I got.
What did you get?
The things I made.
Hey Taylor, come here real quick. Look at my snake. Come look at him. It's not anything bad. Taylor, come look. Come look at him. He's trying to eat him alive.
Really?
He's like kind of like, oh.
I should probably do it for him.
What?
Come look.
Is it a mouse?
No. Come look. Look at him.
What's he doing?
He's eating
A mouse?
a pinky.
Dylan.
No, that's good.
Has he already swallowed it?
No.
Where is it?
He's still
See,
constructing
now-
it. Come look.
Snakes are good because they exterminate rats.
I don't like the rat.
It's not.
That's why you feed it.
It's not because I'm putting it on YouTube. You're rude.
Can I do things?
Yeah,
Come look.
I'm looking.
You see them all?
He sucks at construction.
No, I see the two right there. What?
What?
He sees the two right
I see
there.
the two right there.
There's 5 more.
Oh.
Come on.
No, I'm good.